All right, what's going on, Pedro? This is Austin from earlier today. We spoke a little bit about what's going on with your account and everything else. With that being said, let me get started. So, look, here's your website, right? It's not bad. With that being said, we need more content on the front page, okay? Content is what Google ranks you for. So, the more content, the more keywords, and the more actual words that you have, period, on your website, especially on the home page, therefore, Google is going to put you on the top. That is the goal. So, stuff's laid out pretty nice, but it doesn't have the right content in there. Okay, so let's look at some websites that have the right content. Scroll up to the top right. Here's the 1 hour air conditioning and heating, right? Services, about us page, the reviews, expert tips, special offers, careers, everything's going to be on here. And then as far as clicking on it, it's really simple, it's really easy, very user friendly. Coupon codes, a contact us page, about us page, kind of what they've done in the past, special offers, request an appointment, maintenance, the area that they cover as well. Okay, so let's look at their rating. So look, this is going to be the strength, the UR, it's at 26, right? The DR is going to be the popularity, okay? So they have 524 backlinks, which means every time, their URL is on someone else's website, it's going to backlink to their site if you click onto it, okay? Referring domains is kind of the same concept, works a little bit different. And they only have 41, so that can be increased. Now, the organic keywords, that's what I was talking to you about content. You want to make sure you have the right keywords: air conditioning, AC, AC repairs, AC installs, AC leaks, anything to do with air conditioning, you want to make sure you have the right keywords. Now, as far as your organic traffic, it's at 163. That can be a little bit higher, but the traffic value is pretty good overall, right? So they're doing pretty well, okay? Another example of this, we have Premier Comfort AC. They're on the top page. What I really like about this website is the layout all right here, and they also have something that pops up for immediate contact, right? So if you wanted to immediately contact them, whether it's text message, leave a review, call down, want to chat with someone 24/7, you can do that. And that's going to guarantee that customer a little bit more service, a little bit quicker service, and that's going to draw more attention and more traffic to your page, right? They also connect Google Plus, Facebook, Yelp, Home Advisor, and stuff like that. That is all going to help your page. Now, what's wrong with this page? Not enough content on the home. We got to make sure we have content on your home page. Last but not least, we have Hopkins Air Conditioning. This is an older website, but they've been around for so long that it's up on the top. A lot of things can be done to this site. Area of which they, instead of having a map pack, they just have the areas of which are listed. A contact us page, who they're sponsored by, who they sponsor. And then when it comes to their strength, their popularity, it's not that good. Their backlinks could be a little better. It's pretty good. Historically, though, look at that, 7.37K, right? Domains, 34. Organic keywords, 238. The traffic's only at 3181, and then we have 24 when it comes to PPC, which is pay per click. So our goal is to obviously get you and your content up. So this is your website right here, best for last, right? Backlinks 398. You only have 42 referring domains. We get that up. Your keywords are pretty good. We can get that up as well, though. And then when it comes to your traffic content and traffic value, organic content and organic traffic, we get that up. So how do we do that? By SEO. So you're running these ads, right? And as you're running ads, the only thing about what's wrong with ads is once you stop paying for ads, they don't bring you an ROI, which is a return on your investment. Now, if we do SEO the proper way and run ads the proper way, you will see a higher ROI. So that's what we want to focus on more. So if you have any questions about this email, about this video, reach back out to me at the phone number I called you at earlier, or shoot me back an email with any questions that you have. All right. Once again, my name is Austin with Digital Marketing Solutions. I'll be in contact. Have a good one, bud.